Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your projects and workflows. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see several navigation options listed there. What you're looking for is the workspace section. Right beside the workspace label, you'll notice a small plus sign. Click on that plus icon, and from the menu that appears, select Template Center. This is where Monday.com stores all its pre-built templates designed for different types of projects and workflows. After clicking into the Template Center, you'll see a search bar positioned at the top of the screen. Click on that search bar and type in marketing. This will filter all the available templates and show you only the ones specifically designed for marketing purposes. There are templates for campaign tracking, content calendars, social media planning, and much more, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Once the search results appear, take some time to browse through them. You'll see different marketing templates with previews and descriptions that explain what each one is designed for. Look through the options and click on the template that best fits your marketing needs. Whether you need something for email campaigns, product launches, or general marketing planning, there's likely a template that matches what you're trying to accomplish. After selecting the template you want, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on that button to add the template to your workspace. Monday.com will then create a new board based on that template, complete with pre-built columns, tasks, and suggested workflows. This saves you a ton of time because you don't have to build everything from scratch. Using a template in Monday.com is usually the best way to start marketing workflows because most of the structure is already built for you. The columns are organized, the task categories are set up, and you can immediately start filling in your own content and deadlines. It's a fast and efficient way to get your marketing operations up and running without having to design the entire workflow yourself. And that's it. You've successfully set up a marketing workspace in Monday.com using a pre-built template. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.